If you're celebrating a special occasion while we here at home on this quarantine, I'm gonna show y'all how to make my favorite new drink. I call it a peach henny. It's so good. It's not too strong, but it's like fruity, it's girly, and it puts you in a real cute, you know, a little cute mood, a little cute situation. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is start off with some Hennessy, of course. And then you'll need some peach schnapps. This is the one I'm using by Peachtree. You will need a lemon. And you will also need your favorite brand of sweet tea. Here I'm using Chick-fil-A sweet tea, but Chick-fil-A sweet tea definitely can be super syrupy, so just use your favorite brand of tea. The first thing that you'll do is put the desired amount of Hennessy in a big cup or bowl or pitcher, whatever you decide to use. Then you're going to pour some peach schnapps in with the Hennessy. Peach schnapps is a liqueur, so, you know, use that sparingly. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my sweet tea. And I'm going to freshly squeeze some lemon juice right in that. The lemon juice will definitely help cut some of that sweet taste. I think the lemon is definitely vital in this. The next thing we're going to do is just stir that right on up. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get all of those lemon seeds out of there. Like, who wants a drink with lemon seeds in it, you know? So fish through, get all those seeds out. And right here, I'm unsure what happened to the clip, but I did add a little bit of peach juice to this. Any type of peach juice will work. I use the Minute Maid peach juice. You don't have to use the peach juice. The drink will be fine with just using the sweet tea. But the peach juice just adds a little twang in it if you want a little more of that sweet taste. So if you put peach juice or not, you'll be good. And then we're going to go ahead, we're going to shake that right on up. Mix it pretty well. Now go ahead, wash your wine glass out. I've been obsessed with these stemless wine glasses. Love. My friend Diamond got me this for my housewarming, and I just love these cups. Now I'm going to pour a little bit. I'm going to taste that. Make sure that's good, to my liking. And if it isn't, then I'm going to adjust and add more juice, add more liquor, you know. And once I got the perfect mixture, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill my cup up. It's time to drink, you know. And if you fancy, go ahead and cut a lemon. I'm just going ahead and I'm using that same little squeezed lemon. That's because I ain't have no more, honestly. But use you a fresh lemon, okay? So you can get the better presentation. But cut you a lemon. And put it right on the side of your glass. You can also do a little sugar rim. And that's just that on that. That's how I make my favorite drink, the Peach Henny. Easy, not that many ingredients, and it's just perfect. It's refreshing. Make sure it's chilled. And you got the perfect Friday night quarantine drink. When you don't want to drink wine, but you ain't just trying to take no shots, this is it. If you make this, make sure you tag me. And yeah, just make sure you follow me on Instagram, Mykia_B_. And you guys stay safe during this quarantine. Stay in the house, stay social distancing. And until next time, guys, I love you. Bye. So as I was editing this video, I realized that the Hennessy video was too short. So this is for my tequila drinkers. I'm going to show y'all how to make my favorite margarita. The first thing you'll need is some tequila. Right here, I'm using Milagro. You can use any tequila of your choice. The next thing you'll need is some Jose Cuervo margarita mix. Right here, I'm using strawberry lime margarita mix. Then you'll need some Grand Marnier. And the last thing you'll need is some juice. Any type of juice will work. You preferably probably want to stick with strawberry flavored juice since you're using strawberry mix. And you'll also need some lemons and limes. So I'm going to go ahead right in with my stemless wine glass. And we're going to pour some tequila right in there. There's no measurements for this drink. Just everything is to your liking, okay? Do it how you like it. The next thing I'm going to do is pour some of my margarita mix. This also has liquor in it, so, you know, just make sure you're not overloading, you know. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and add some juice. Then I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lime. Since we're mixing this in a cup and not in the pitcher, you don't want to do too much. And then I'm going to also squeeze a little bit of lemon. The next thing I'm going to do is shake that up a little bit. And right here, I was being lazy. Like my kid, go get a spoon. But while we're here, I'm just going to go ahead and let y'all know. Please subscribe and please like this video. Because as I was editing, I realized this was too short. And I decided to make a margarita. So currently, this is like a month later. And I went back, put on this same outfit that I had on in the Hennessy video. And made this drink. And it's 11 p.m. at night. So appreciate the effort, y'all. But back to the video, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add just a little bit of ginger ale. I'm fake adding it because like I said, it's 11 p.m. I'm not drinking this tonight. Now for the sugar rim, you just need your glass and some regular white sugar, and you need a plate. So for the sugar rim, all you're going to do is put some sugar on a plate. You don't need a whole lot, but you know, just enough that's like wide enough to cover the rim of your glass. Then we're going to take that lime and we just going to rub the lime all on the top of the glass. All around the top rim of the glass. Just to make the rim of the glass wet. And we're going to put that glass right into the sugar. You know, just twist it around, let the sugar get stuck to the sides of the glass, stuck to the rim. And that's how you have the perfect sugar rim for a margarita. Real easy. Now go ahead and pour your drink right into your new glass. Then right here is when you would add a few ice cubes and pour just a tad bit of Grand Marnier right on top of the drink. It will kind of sit right up with the ice cubes. And this makes it a Cadillac Margarita. Next thing you're going to do is get a strawberry, cut the side, and stick that right on the side of your glass. And voila, the perfect strawberry margarita on the rocks. This was real easy, simple. This for the tequila drinkers. If you're not really into the dark liquor, not really into the Hennessy, this would be a nice refreshing glass of margarita for you. Again, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys. Be safe. Stay social distancing. And I'll see you guys later. Subscribe. Bye.